Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve another Java program, that is write a Java program to find the sum of the first n natural numbers, and here the input is a positive integer and the output is sum of all numbers from 1 to n. So here we can see some examples. Here the input n equal to 5 and the output should be 15 because the sum of the first n natural numbers of 5 is 15. For example, here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. So we have to get output like this. Now we have to move into our Java code. So I have created a new Java file here. So first we have to import our scanner class. So here we can clearly see that if we enter the 1 n value, so it should have to print from 1 to n. So if we enter the 5 as our n value, it should have to print the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, like that. So this type of questions only, they are mostly asked in the technical interviews. So here we have to create our class name sum of numbers. So you must have to practice this type of questions before going into the interview. So here we have to write our main method, and here now we have to import our scanner class. Scanner equal to new scanner system.in. now here I have to write system.out.println of enter a positive number. So if the number is positive only, here we have to print the sum of the classes. Now we have to read that number. So for that we have to use int n equal to scanner.nextInt. To read the integer values, we have scanner.nextInt method. Now here we have to prove that, so if the n is greater than or equal to 0 only, it is a positive integer. Now we have to prove that condition, then only it will, otherwise it should have to print please enter the positive integer. Please enter the positive integer. So it will ask the question. So if our enter number is positive integer, then it should have to go to else int sum equal to 0. So first we have to declare our sum value as 0, and now we have to enter. Now we have to here initialize our for loop for int I equal to 0 or I is greater than or equal to n, then I plus plus, and here we have to write that sum equal to sum plus I. So because here the sum value will become sum plus I value. Now we have to write the system.out.println of sum of n numbers. Here we have to put here sum of first n plus natural numbers, and here we put the brackets plus sum. So now we have to close our scanner class, scanner.close. So here now we have to run this code, run without debugging. So the code is running here. So here we have one error that sum cannot be resolved to a variable. So here we have to write int n equal to 1 here, and where we get the error. Now we will run again. Again we have got the same error. Sum cannot be resolved to a variable. So here we have to declare this before the int method. Now let's see if this run or not. So here we have to declare before the int method, I mean before the if else method. So sorry, so we simply write int sum equal to 0. So now let's run this code, and we have successfully compiled our code. So it is asking that enter a positive integer. If I enter 5, the sum of the numbers is 15. Now I will put the space here so that you can understand clearly. Now I can run it in a new way. So here java c space sum of numbers dot java. So java space sum of numbers. So here it is asking enter a positive integer. So if I entered 100, then the sum should be 50550. So friends, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.